My dear students, good morning. I am Hassan Rashid, your teacher of social studies, and, with a prayer of a bountiful day ahead, I welcome you all to this class. This is now the 6th week of e-learning program at Pakistan International School, Qatar, and today is our second class of social studies in this week. We are studying the second lesson, Weather and Climate, and today our topic is the effects of climate on life in Pakistan. Let's start our today's lesson.
Our today's study objective is to learn the effects of climate on the people living in different areas of Pakistan. My dear students, climate greatly affects the human life. All the human activities are directly and indirectly affected by climate. All the social, economic, political and cultural activities of people living in a country mostly depend upon the climate. There is a huge variety of climate found in Pakistan too. Let us take a glimpse in the lives of the people living in different areas of Pakistan. My dear students, our study areas of today's class are life in the plain areas of Pakistan, life in the mountainous areas of Pakistan, life in the desert areas of Pakistan, and life in the Balochistan Plateau. Let us now take a look at the lives of the people living in the plain areas of Pakistan. This is the area of Upper and Lower Indus Plains. This area experiences the extreme climate. It means that the summers are too hot and winters are too cold. Thick fog continues for many days and disrupts activities in the winters. There is abundance of water in this region. The advantage of this climate and abundance of water results in the variety of crops. The economy of this area depends upon agriculture and agriculture-based industries. There are better economic conditions in the plain areas of Pakistan. Due to the better economic conditions, people enjoy a better lifestyle with better facilities. The plains of Pakistan are densely populated. Maximum population of Pakistan lives in these areas. People wear a variety of light dresses in summers and heavy clothing in winters. Let us now see how the people live in the mountainous areas of Pakistan. These are the high-altitude areas of north and northwestern mountains. These areas experience moderate summers and extremely cold winters. In winters temperature falls below 0 degrees Celsius. And it frequently snows. Since nothing grows in winters, people gather food in summers and store it for winters. In winters people are restricted to their homes and remain busy with the making of domestic handicrafts. Some people bring their cattle down in the plain areas because no grass or plants grow because of heavy snow. In summers, when the snow melts, farming is carried out. People who had gone to plain areas return to their homes. These areas produce a variety of fruits and are very rich in mineral resources. Tourism is an important economic aspect of the life of the people living in these areas. These areas are less populated. Life is hard in these areas and the people of these areas are very hard-working. Let us now take a look at the life of the people living in the desert areas of Pakistan. These are the areas of Thal, Kholistan and Thar deserts. The climate of these areas is extremely hot and dry. There is a huge variation in the day and night conditions. The days are too hot but the nights are cold. Heat waves blow during days. These heat waves are called Lu. Wind and dust storms make life even more uncomfortable. These areas receive very little rainfall. Therefore, generally no agriculture is carried out. Agriculture is limited to the areas which have been irrigated with the help of canals. Sheep and goat rearing is the main occupation in these areas. Due to very hard living conditions, these areas are very less populated. Life is very hard. People have to fetch water from far areas for their use. People use light summer clothing to survive the extreme heat.
Let us have a glimpse of the lives of the people living in Balochistan Plateau. Balochistan Plateau has extreme climate. It means very hot summers and very cold winters. High-altitude areas of the region receive snowfall. This is the driest area of Pakistan and their scarcity of water. Kares, the underground canals are used to carry water from the water reservoir to the fields for farming. Kares save water from evaporation in the high temperatures. Because of these underground canals, limited agriculture is carried out in some areas. Generally sheep and goat rearing is the main occupation in this region. Wherever farming is possible, varieties of fruits and dry fruits are produced. Balochistan Plateau has huge mineral resources. This region is less populated. Majority of the people lead a hard life because of the water shortage and extreme climatic conditions. People use light summer clothing to avoid the summer heat and heavy winter clothing to survive the bitter cold.
My dear students, it is now time to do some written work. Please use your books to prepare the answers of these long questions. Don't hesitate to consult your teachers to clear your queries. My dear students, with this, we conclude today's class. I hope today's class was informative and it gave you some insight into the lives of people living in different areas of Pakistan. And, of course, I am very happy that I could contribute my bit. Take good care of yourselves. See you in next class. Thank you.